Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Spotify to your Garmin Forerunner 255 Music. First, ensure your watch is updated and paired with your smartphone via Bluetooth. You will also need a Spotify Premium account to download music for offline listening. Next, download the Spotify application to your watch using the Garmin Connect IQ store on your phone. Finally, enable Wi-Fi on your watch through its settings to prepare for music downloads. Now that the Spotify app is installed, let's link your account. On your Forerunner 255 Music, access the Music menu and select Music Providers. From there, choose Spotify. Your watch will then prompt you to open the Garmin Connect application on your smartphone. Log into your Spotify Premium account within the Garmin Connect app and agree to the necessary terms to complete the connection. With your account linked, you can now download your favorite tunes. On your watch, go back to the Spotify app and select Add Music and Podcasts. You can then choose specific playlists, albums, or podcasts from your library to download. Remember, your watch needs a strong Wi-Fi connection for this. For the quickest downloads, keep your Forerunner 255 Music close to your Wi-Fi router. You're almost ready to enjoy your music. First, pair your favorite Bluetooth headphones with your Garmin Forerunner 255 Music. Then, simply open the Spotify app on your watch to access your downloaded content. You can now play your music and podcasts completely offline, leaving your phone behind. Keep in mind, you cannot search for specific songs directly on the watch. Ensure they are in your downloaded playlists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.